ADA coin cost could flood to a limit of $0.716 toward the finish of 2023. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. Cardano cost with a flood could achieve the $4 mark by 2030, with a possible high of $4.10 for the year. The year 2009 was a fundamental year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business for eternity. This is predominantly on the grounds that the year had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year additionally had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain, which has been determined with its turns of events, Cardano, ADA. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as quite possibly of the most adaptable framework on the planet financial discussion. The organization has been quick advancing to be the principal peer explored and flawlessly adaptable chain. In the interim, the worth of the local symbolic ADA coin cost remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted generally. Cardano cost expectation for 2023 could go from $0.472 to $0.716 for the year. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore have casting a ballot rights, which will impact the future improvement of the organization. Will ADA cost bounce back into this year? How about we check the Cardano coin value expectation for 2023-2025 and the years to come? Cardano is a proof-of-stake POS blockchain stage, first to be established on peer-explored research and created through proof-based techniques by the organization. It joins trend-setting innovations to give unmatched security and maintainability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. What is Cardano? ADA. The Cardano network is additionally the world's very first friend-investigated decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local cryptographic money controls that convention. It was made by ex-Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has a stockpile breaking point of 45 billion tokens. Cardano value forecast 2023. Hydra is the following impending overhaul of Cardano for Layer 2 versatility arrangement. It mostly expects to speed up through low inactivity and high throughput, which likewise offers limited exchange cost. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever. Hydra offers expanded throughput, limited inertness, and cost-effective arrangements. The cost of Cardano cost has not seen a positive cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is supposed to be a great time for brokers and financial backers, as the cost of this crypto is low and has a high expected before very long. A consistent slope and conspicuousness is basic for Cardano coin, as the outcomes will ultimately consider ADA's cost. In such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA coin cost should reach as high as $0.716. On the drawback, assuming that things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at $0.472. Progressively, a harmony in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at $0.554. ADA coin value expectation 2024. Cardano is the first blockchain stage to be worked through peer-checked on research to be adequately secure to safeguard the information of billions, sufficiently versatile to oblige worldwide frameworks, and sufficiently hardy to help primary change. DeFi and Cardano's developing strength in the area could become basic for Cardano. Besides, the heightening count of designers would assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore ADA cost could move to a limit of $0.997 toward the finish of 2024. In any case, on the off chance that the more extensive market runs over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the Cardano cost could drop to $0.751. That being said, the ordinary cost could settle at $0.836. Cardano value forecast 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, in the event that the convention executes its open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific dealers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close $0.924. Be that as it may, taking into account enhancements in bug anticipation frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $1.063. In the event that Cardano ADA effectively signals off certain ventures, coordinated efforts, and new updates in savvy contracts, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.267 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano figure 2026. As per our experts, ADA coin cost for the year 2026 could go between $1.10 to $1.59, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $1.34. ADA Value Expectation 2027. As per our investigators, Cardano cost for the year 2027 could go between $1.56 to $1.98, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $1.75. Cardano Expectation 2028. As indicated by our examiners, ADA forecast for the year 2028 could go between $1.93 to $2.32, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $2.16. ADA Coin Cost Expectations 2029. As indicated by our investigators, Cardano gauge for the year 2029 could run between $2.35 to $3.02, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $2.67. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. As per our experts, ADA cost expectations for the year 2030 could run between $2.99 to $4.10, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $3.52. Cardano Value Forecast. Assume ADA Cardano value keeps on zeroing in on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a flood of more up-to-date clients. Once more, this could help the value forecast of ADA to raise its bar to $0.716 toward the finish of 2023. Be that as it may, on the off chance that negative insights torment ADA coin cost projection, while the organization is still a work in progress, the bears could jump all over the chance and control the year-end value focus to levels around $0.472. Essential examination. The blockchain is divided into two layers, specifically the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL animates the shared P2P exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the Savvy contract component is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two portions. Despite the fact that Cardano utilizes a pose calculation, it utilizes a complicated rendition marked Ouroboros pose. Ouroboros, in contrast to regular pose, makes timeslots called an age. Every age has an opening chief picked by different hubs in the space. These pioneers do obstruct creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This diminishes blockage and builds TPS. Authentic Value Opinions 2017-2021. Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. In the absolute first month of the year 2018, the altcoin's cost hit an AF of $1.162. Notwithstanding falling into a negative snare, the cost